Hey everyone, welcome to the show. I am the City Escape Griller, and we had intended on taking a trip this year to Italy for our honeymoon, but of course it is 2020 and we're not going anywhere. So instead of going to Italy, we're going to bring Italy here to the City Escape. I'm going to fire up the Weber Q today and make some Italian chicken cooked under a brick. You're going to love this recipe, so stick around. Today's recipe begins by making a marinade, and that starts with a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, the juice of 1 lemon, 2 cloves of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of dried Italian seasoning, a nice good pinch of salt, and some freshly ground black pepper. Stir those together, and our marinade is ready for the chicken. Now into a dish, we're going to add our chicken, and today I'm using a half of a chicken. You could use a spatchcock chicken for this recipe. I've already made a spatchcock chicken video, and I'll provide a link to that in the upper right corner. So we're just going to spoon this marinade all over the chicken, and we're going to cover it with plastic wrap and put it into the refrigerator for anywhere between 4 and 6 hours. The longer the better. And while the chicken is marinating in the refrigerator, we're going to go ahead and wrap a brick in tin foil. Just fold up the ends, just like you're wrapping a gift. So the chicken has been marinating for about 6 hours, and I took it out of the refrigerator about a half an hour ago to bring it up to room temperature. And I'm going to pat it dry with a paper towel. Now you want to do this because the marinade has olive oil in it, and if you don't pat it dry, it will flare up on the grill and burn your chicken skin. And the Weber Q has been preheating now for about 10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and, using tongs and a paper towel that has olive oil on it, I'm going to go ahead and oil the grates. And this will help prevent the chicken skin from sticking. And so now we're going to place on our chicken, skin side down, put the brick right on top of the chicken, and close the lid. And we're going to cook this for 5 minutes, skin side down. After those 5 minutes are up, using a grill glove, remove the brick, and then it's time to turn the chicken and flip it over, skin side up. Let me reposition this for the camera a little bit. There we go. And place our brick back on the chicken. Close the lid for 5 more minutes. After those 5 minutes, remove the brick, and now we're going to take the chicken off the direct heat. And we're going to put down some tin foil and set up our roasting rack. And then we're going to place the chicken onto the roasting rack, and we'll finish the chicken over indirect heat for about 20 minutes until we get to 165 degrees. Let's see if I can show you. Yep, 165. And that, my friends, is some absolutely gorgeous grilled chicken. Okay, so here we have our Italian chicken cooked under a brick, and we're going to slice into this. It's been resting for a couple of minutes now. Let's see what we're looking at here. All right, so as you can see, nice and juicy. So I'm going to try a piece of the white meat. Wow, it looks fantastic. All that juice. The flies seem to like it. Like the smell anyway. This is really great. Absolutely delicious. Try another piece. We're cooking outside, folks. The flies seem to like the smell of this. This is a great recipe. It's actually really fun to cook. Using the brick is a lot of fun. Supposedly, the brick helps keep everything cooked evenly, and it actually cooks a little faster when you use the brick as it presses it down into the grates. So give this recipe a try. It's a lot of fun. Italian chicken cooked under a brick. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Leave a like if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you know when new videos come out. And of course, keep on grilling.